Welcome to our channel. Today we how to fix sales strategies with T-Mobile, complete guide step by step clearly. To enhance your sales strategies with T-Mobile, start by analyzing your current performance metrics. Gather data on your sales figures, customer feedback, and customer demographics. Identify trends and patterns in your current sales approach. Set clear objectives for what you want to achieve with your new strategy. Conduct a competitive analysis to understand T-Mobile's positioning in the market. Research your competitors' sales strategies to identify strengths and weaknesses. Engage with your team to brainstorm ideas and gather insights on current challenges. Focus on building stronger customer relationships through personalized service. Utilize T-Mobile's resources, such as training programs and marketing materials, to elevate your strategy. Implement a customer loyalty program if not already in place to incentivize repeat business. Enhance your online presence by optimizing your website and social media channels. Utilize T-Mobile's promotional offers to attract new customers effectively. Incorporate feedback loops from sales staff to continuously improve processes. Conduct regular training sessions to keep your team motivated and informed. Monitor the effectiveness of new strategies with regular performance reviews. Adjust your approach based on data and feedback to ensure. Stay informed about industry trends and adapt your strategy accordingly. Maintain flexibility to pivot when necessary based on changing market conditions. Foster a culture of collaboration within your team to encourage innovative ideas. Evaluate partnerships with local businesses or influencers to expand your reach. Celebrate successes and learn from setbacks to maintain morale and drive improvement. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.